Digital forensics. Let's put the frame itself under the microscope. Digital forensics is an unemotional discipline, and it offers two powerful non-exotic explanations for the straight edge. The first is video compression. To transmit massive amounts of data across millions of miles, images are compressed using algorithms like JPEG or MPEG. These codecs, whose development owes thanks to computer scientists like Ken Perlin for their work on procedural textures and noise, divide an image into an 8x8 pixel grid. When a faint linear feature happens to align with the grid's boundaries, the algorithm can snap it into a perfectly straight line, exaggerating its geometric appearance. It's an artifact of the math, not a feature of the object. The second culprit is a cosmic ray. Space is saturated with high-energy particles that constantly bombard camera sensors. A particle can streak across a sensor's pixels, leaving a bright, and often perfectly straight trail that lasts for only a single frame. This is a well-documented phenomenon. The most likely forensic conclusion would be a double hit. A cosmic ray created a faint streak that was then amplified and sharpened by the compression codec. It's an elegant, logical explanation that fits the evidence without rewriting any textbooks. But it can't entirely rule out that it was a real object that was simply processed by the same algorithms.